everyone, you are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to display correct minimum and maximum raster values in QGIS. So let's go to QGIS. In QGIS, when you bring in raster data, normally under the layer panel, it displays the minimum value and the maximum value of the raster. For instance, I have a raster here and it's displaying the minimum value to be 93 and maximum value to be 1068. Sometimes the value displayed here may not be the actual value. So when you bring the raster in, the value displayed here may not be the true value of the minimum and maximum of the raster. So to verify or to correct this error, right click on the layer, go to properties. So come under symbology. Under symbology, here you can see the minimum value and the maximum value. However, to display the actual or the correct minimum and maximum value, come to minimum and maximum value settings. Click on this to expand it. Here, come under accuracy. If you look at this accuracy, you will see that is estimate that is showing there, which means when you load in the raster, the software estimates the minimum and maximum value, though it's faster, but sometimes it may not display the correct value. So to do that, click on the drop down. You see actual. This actual, but is slower. However, it gives you the actual minimum and maximum value. So click on the actual, then click on apply. So as I click on apply, you can see that the 93 has changed to 88 and the maximum value has also changed to the actual raster value. Then you click on apply. So you can see the change here. So this is how to display the actual minimum and maximum raster value in QGIS. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.